y'all, it's Stacy with southernbite.com. Today we're in the kitchen with my friends from Tony Chachere's because we're putting a Creole twist on a holiday classic. This is my crunchy Creole green bean casserole. Let's get started. Begin by adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Next, add about 12 ounces of andouille or another Cajun-style sausage to the hot oil. Sauté until it's just starting to crisp around the edges. Next, we're going to add about a half of a white or yellow onion that we've finely chopped. Cook that for a few minutes or until the onion is translucent. Next, we're going to add about 1½ cups of sliced mushrooms. To that, we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic that we've minced. Stir until fragrant, being cautious not to burn the garlic. Next, we're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. A 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Once our mixture is well combined, we're going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning. The exact amount will vary based on how salty the sausage is that you used. To that, we're going to add a 4-ounce jar of diced pimentos that we've drained and 4 cans of cut green beans that we've also drained. Then stir to combine. Once the beans are well coated in the sauce, we're going to spoon the mixture into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that we've sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Then we'll top the casserole with fried onions and coarsely chopped pecans. The casserole will bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. If you're looking to give boring green bean casserole an upgrade, the smoked sausage, crunchy pecans, and crispy fried onions in my Creole green bean casserole is sure to do just that. Y'all enjoy. This is so good.